Hello and welcome again to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add a WhatsApp button to our store to make it easy for our clients to get in touch using WhatsApp. So first of all, go and click on applications. You will see that I have an application called WhatsApp button. I will deactivate it so we could know all the steps. Either you can find your applications in the application tab here, and also you can go to market.storeino.com and you will find the applications in other applications. So you will find here a WhatsApp button. It is a free application. You will see a preview of the WhatsApp button right here. And you can read all the information in this page. You can change the language down here, either to French or English or Arabic. I will change, for example, to English and click on Get this app. Then you will need to log in to your Storeino account. Log in to your Storeino, click OK and choose the store you want to install WhatsApp application on it. Click on Next and click on Install. You will see that this app already exists in my store. When you click on Install, you will get the app in your store like this. Click on Activate and click on the picture to access the settings. Now you will see a lot of settings. First of all, we need to choose the shape of our WhatsApp button. You can choose whatever you like, either only an icon or an icon with text. Then if you like, for example, to change the background of that icon, just click on background here and change it in whatever color you like. For example, I'm gonna change it to the blue color, but I will advise you to leave it as it is. Then the size. You will see here the icon size is set to 64. It's really a good size. I will not change it. Then the text. If you choose this model of an icon then a text, you will need to set up your text. For example, chat with us, contact with us. It depends on you. Then the variables are the message. Now we have two parts. The first part is the product page message. The product page message, when a client go to the product page and click on the WhatsApp button there, you will get this message to send it to you. And you have a variables here, the price, the name, and the URL. This is the price of the product, the name of the product, and the URL of the product. For example, hi, I need this product, and you put the variable, it is the name of the product. Then price, you will see we have put the variable of the price in the URL also. I think you will not need to change this, but you can always change it if you like. For example, you don't want to put the URL of the product, just delete it like this. And you're always gonna see a preview of that right here. For example, I have iPhone 12 Pro Max in my store. So the message will be like, hi, I need this product, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Its price is, for example, this price right here. Then the default message. This is a default message when someone clicks on the icon of the WhatsApp, not in the product page. You will see, hi, I need to talk about something. And you can also put the URL of the page that he clicks the WhatsApp button on. You will see, for example, a preview of that also. Hi, I need to ask about something, and the URL is this URL. After that, you can add your WhatsApp number here, and it's better to put the plus sign and your country code in that, for example, like this. Then after that, if you have many products and you want to specify each number to each product, here is the thing here. It's really special. Click on the product like this and put your number or the number you wanna choose for contacting, to choose for your clients to contact you regarding this product, and click on add. And you will see that this product has been added and a phone number has been added below it. And you can do all this with the all other products in your store. After that, the position of your icon. You will see that we have simplified this. You can only click and choose the position you like with really simple and easy interface. After you complete all these settings, just click on confirm and let us show you how this button, the WhatsApp button, looks like. You will see now the WhatsApp button is here. If I click on it, it will go directly to WhatsApp, and you will see that the message we have set up, hi, I need to ask about something, then the URL of the page. If you go in the product page and click on the icon of WhatsApp right here, you will see that the message has been changed and it tells, hi, I need this product, iPhone 11 Pro, and the name of the product, then the price as we have been setting up in the settings page. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials. Don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave your question in the comments below. We will read all the comments. Thank you and see you soon.